Alright, I'm sitting in a 2016 Mazda 3 proximity system. This vehicle has lost all the proximity keys. I have two new ones right there. So let's get started. Select Mazda, North America, by vehicle. Mazda 3, 2014 plus, proximity. Smart cards attached, or smart calculator. Okay, hazards on, ignition off. Hazards are on. Press enter. Mazda proximity, enter. Special functions. We're going to force the ignition on. Press and release the start-stop button. There it is. Press enter. Wait for light on. Start-stop button to turn orange. And press and release start-stop button and the ignition should turn on. So let's see if it's orange. It is on. I just bumped the windshield wipers there. Okay. Now, takes you back to the next screen. We're going to do clear procs. As both of these proxies were lost, we're going to make sure that none of the existing proxies out there will work this ignition again. So let's hit clear program procs. Ensure that ignition is on. If all keys are lost, then use force ignition function. That is already done. Minimum of 2 keys are required. Do I want to continue? Yes, I do. Okay, key part numbers are the same as the original. Let's hit check mark. There's keys programmed, or 2. Clear the keys. Do I want to use the bypass? You bet. This may take a few minutes or may take a few seconds. Enjoy the Joe Walsh until we get done. Okay, security is bypassed. Hit enter. Please wait. Keys program 0. Perfect. Press the start stop button to switch the ignition off. Okay, it is now off. Enter. Do not press the brake. Press the start stop button. Turn the ignition on. Within 10 seconds, hold the first prox over the start-stop button with the Mazda logo facing out. The start-stop button will indicate green when programmed. Here we go. Do not press the brake. Press the start-stop button to turn the ignition on. In 10 seconds, hold the second prox over the start-stop button with the Mazda logo facing you. Start-stop button will indicate if the key is programmed. Here we go. Center. There we go. Keys programmed too. Press the start-stop button to switch ignition off. Wait for 10 seconds. Okay, I've done that. You can see it's off. To complete the procedure, start the engine while holding each prox up to the start-stop button. Okay. Here's the first one. There we go. It's running. Turn these blinkers off. Next one. There we go. That works. Now I press the buttons to make sure they work. That works. That works. All done.